Well, I'd like to just thank you all for coming today, and I'd like to just express our thanks to Yes Education and Johnny for all the team for helping us put this together. TAFE's really establishing itself to rebuild its perspective and its opportunities in recruiting students here in Indonesia with your support. Today you'll find out a bit more about what TAFE can do, the scale, the range of programs, and the dual opportunities that students can actually participate and complete, whether it's vocational or higher education, or even down to our English language programs. It'll give you more information about how we operate as a provider. As a government provider, I have one direct outcome, and that's to support students. That is our objective. We're here to make sure the student journey is the best that it can be, and the quality of education is of the highest from the state of New South Wales. So hopefully you'll find out a lot more about that today, and I wish to thank you all for your time, and I look forward to meeting and speaking to you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much for Yes Education. It'll be a pleasure to be here at this event today. It's a well-organized event, meeting our B2B partners and also be partners for Yes Education. So it's a great pleasure. Thank you to the Yes Education team. I know a couple of the team members flew all the way from Sydney as well to be at this event. So it's a great outcome. Great to meet all the team over here. It's been a pleasure and hope to do them again. Thank you.
Halo semuanya, saya dengan Dr. Anton Wardaya. Saya mengucapkan banyak terima kasih kepada TAFE NSW dan Yes Education yang menyelenggarakan TAFE Business Workshop ini, sehingga menambah wawasan buat kami semua dan memperkaya pengetahuan kami tentang TAFE, jadi tentang education training yang terbesar di Australia. Terima kasih TAFE NSW dan Yes Education.